Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reading and Writing, Filling the Blanks, Real Exam Question Series, and today is the 30th video of this series. It means that we have already discussed 29 highly repetitive and real exam questions, and we have discussed the tips, strategies कि आपको reading and writing filling the blanks को correctly attempt करना है. First things first, now PTE is accepted in UK, so if you are planning to study in UK, you can do it through PTE. And 90% of Canadian universities now accept PTE Academic and a new test which is PTE Home. So if you're planning to apply for spouse visa or family visa in UK, you can do it through PTE Home. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE. And in this series, I help you guys so that you can also crack your reading, because we have strategies for listening which are working, by the way. We have strategies for speaking and writing. Only reading की जो strategies हैं, you need to know little bit of grammar and strategies, and then you can easily crack your reading in first attempt. So that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel, because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. Now PTE रीडिंग you know that एक integrated section होता है, and जो time है आपके पास PTE रीडिंग का, that is of 32 to 41 minutes, and it has 5 question types. And the first question type in this is reading and writing filling the blanks, and this is the real PTE reading scoring. As you can see that reading and writing filling the blanks contribute 22 marks to your writing, 22 marks to your reading, so इसीलिए they are very important. चाहे आपका टारगेट स्कोर 58 प्लस हो, 65 प्लस हो या 79 प्लस हो, these are very important. And the strategy which we use based on our big data analysis, you can just spend 3 minutes on solving your reading and writing filling the blanks, and in 3 minutes you cannot read all the words. तो आपकी जो strategy है where you read all the words, you understand the meaning of all the words, it's not going to work. So that is a wrong strategy, and you have to do the skimming. And we teach the skimming techniques to our students online as well as in institute students. Now this is today's topic, and as usual I'm going to give you 30 seconds to skim through this, and then we will discuss it. Okay, so now you know, first thing what we do is we do the skimming to understand its gist, to understand the tense as well as tone. Gist is कि किस बारे में है, central idea. Tenses से हमें past, present, future tense के बारे में पता चलता है. Tone positive है, negative है, neutral है और academic article है, तो academic words use होंगे. We try to find out the tone. So let's start with the skimming. DNA is a molecule that does two things. First, it acts as a material which is passed on from generation to generation. Second, it directs to a considerable extent the construction of bodies, telling cells what molecules to make, and development from a single-celled zygote to a fully formed adult. These two things are of course connected. The DNA sequence that construct bodies are likely to pass down to the next generation. Well-constructed bodies are more likely to survive and to reproduce. This is Darwin's theory of natural selection stated in the language of DNA. Okay, so this is core PT academic kind of article where you get to read the academic words, especially related to biology. And if you have studied biology, then you would have known Darwin's natural theory of selection, DNA. Then it might be easy for you. But अगर आपने bio को study नहीं किया है, it will be a bit difficult, but still we will make things easy. So now let's see the first blank, and the first blank, you know, हम पहले 3-4 words पढ़ते हैं blank से पहले, and blanks के बाद 3-4 words we understand and then we try to solve. अब यहाँ पे first है, first क्या, that DNA does two things. कौन सी two things? It is a pronoun for your DNA over here. DNA acts as the material. Now you have to fit something, fill something, and this is going to be done through your forward reading because you have to read the next few words which is passed down from generation to generation. अब जो चीज जनरेशन टू जनरेशन पास डाउन होती है what we call it as a hereditary one. Okay, like हम कहते हैं कि हमें शुगर डायबिटीज तो hereditary है, right? So hereditary means that that is passed from generation to generation. And if you want, you can use process of elimination also, which is our best friend in that we eliminate all the wrong options and whatever we are left with is the right option. So bone, right? It acts as a bone material. कहीं bone DNA bone material act कर सकता है? The answer is no. Crucial material, yes, students can say yes sir, crucial makes sense. Crucial means which is important, but does it really make sense? The answer is again yes it might, but यहाँ पे forward reading की knowledge से आपको पता है that it's passed from one generation to another, like from father to son, grandparents to grandchildren. So that is hereditary. Okay, circular, DNA circular हो सकता है, circular material. No, DNA is not circular. It's having a helix-like shape like this. Okay, so that's why the correct answer for this option is hereditary. Okay, now moving on to the next one. Telling our cells what kind of molecules to make and something are development from a single cell zygote. Zygote is like single celled organism and like which is formed when the sperm and the ovule fertilize, right? So it's fully formed adult, right? Zygote बनता है adult से. Now you have to see, but अब एक चीज जहाँ पे I want to tell, though they have used all the INGs, but this is an important concept, the concept of parallelism. What is that concept? It means that and से पहले जो verb की form है वही and के बाद भी verb की form रहेगी, right? So यहाँ पे हमारी verb की form क्या है? ing, telling. Okay, so यहाँ पे भी क्या आएंगे? INGs ही आएंगे, but obviously यहाँ पे सारे INGs दिए हुए हैं, but I just wanted to showcase you the importance of parallelism because बहुत बार blanks हम इसी के basis पे solve कर सकते हैं. Okay, so telling our cells what kind of molecules to make. Okay, हमारे बॉडी को बताते हैं कि कौन से मॉलिक्यूल्स बनाने हैं एंड देन समथिंग आर डेवलपमेंट फ्रॉम अ सिंगल सेल zygote. दिस इज अ सिंगल सेल, देन मल्टी सेल बनता है, एम्ब्रियो होता है, देन आपका ह्यूमन बॉडी बनती है, फुली गॉन एडल्ट बनता है. ऑल दिस इज टेकन केयर बाय डीएनए. अब यहाँ पे आपको अगेन बैकवर्ड रीडिंग से आंसर मिलेगा. So we had seen today the forward reading, the first blank was solved through forward reading and the second blank will be solved through backward reading. And installing our development, क्या हमारा कुछ install करता है DNA body में? The answer is no. What we are doing is right now we are going to do the process of elimination. Exploring, क्या डीएनए एक्सप्लोर कर रहा है बॉडी में, कुछ नई चीजें फाइंड आउट कर रहा है? नो, एक वेल डिफाइंड प्रोसेस है जो होना है. सो एक्सप्लोरेशन नहीं हो सकती है, राइट? यू आर नॉट सर्चिंग और यू आर नॉट फाइंडिंग समथिंग न्यू. So that's why we are going to eliminate exploring also. And then we have to see the writing. क्या कुछ write down हो रहा है? The answer is no. But on through process of elimination, we are left with one option which is guiding. And now students ask, यहाँ पे guiding क्यों आएगा? The reason backward reading, remember I told you क्यों? Because it acts as a director. कैसे पता चलेगा? Over here, second, it directs. अब एक डायरेक्टर का क्या काम होता है? गाइड करना. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई एज वेल एज थ्रू बैकवर्ड रीडिंग एंड प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन वी फाउंड आउट कि यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? guiding. Okay, so selecting that option and moving to the next one. Now let's see few words before the blank and the words after the blank. Well constructed bodies are likely to survive. Okay, कि वो survive कर सकती हैं. And now you are going to see the role of parallelism. यहाँ पे टू सर्वाइव है तो यहाँ पे टू रिप्रोड्यूस हुआ, टू प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म, एंड से पहले भी और एंड के बाद भी. सो आई होप यू विल रिमेंबर दिस कंसेप्ट ऑफ पैरेललिज्म because in future maybe there will be many blanks which we will solve on the basis of parallelism. So and again what you can do is you can do process of elimination as well as you need the contextual knowledge to solve this blank. So let's get started. एंड एबल टू रिप्रोड्यूस, मतलब आप ये कहना चाह रहे हो कि जो वेल कंस्ट्रक्टेड बॉडीज हैं, यस वो सर्वाइव तो करेंगी ऑब्वियसली। अगर आप वेल कंस्ट्रक्टेड होम में रहते हो तो वो ज़्यादा सर्वाइव कर सकता है अर्थक्वेक से, फ्लड से, राइट, थंडरस्टॉर्म से, राइट। सो कंसिडर लाइक दिस। एंड एबल टू रिप्रोड्यूस, क्या सिर्फ स्ट्रॉन्ग ही रिप्रोड्यूस कर पाएंगे? द आंसर इज नो, भी तो रिप्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं। सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर गोइंग टू एलिमिनेट एबल ओवर हियर। And does to reproduce. Yes, does का मतलब क्या होता है? Therefore, right? Like as a result. So obviously जो strong होंगे वो ज़्यादा survive करेंगे और reproduce कर पाएंगे. Now let's see easy. क्या यहाँ पे easy हो सकता है? Easy to reproduce क्या strong के लिए easy होगा और जो weak है उसके लिए reproduction tough होगी? The answer is no. What we are doing is we are again doing process of elimination. So, and so to reproduce, it doesn't make grammatical sense. So to reproduce, right? So we are just left with one option, which is does. So it is more likely to survive and does to reproduce. So this is how we see the blanks, and all these answers are correct. And remember the strategies. We have three main strategies for solving reading and writing filling the blank. One is based on the context, second is based on the lexical resource, and third one is based on grammar. In context, you have seen the importance of skimming and forward reading as well as backward reading. We solve one blank on the basis of forward reading, and जहाँ पे डायरेक्शन वाली बात थी, डायरेक्टर था तो वो गाइड करेगा, वो हमने बैकवर्ड रीडिंग से फाइंड आउट किया. And then tone is also important. Many times we are able to solve blanks on the basis of tones. Then lexical resource, collocations are important, phrasal verbs are equally important, and vocab. We keep learning new tough words in every video of this series so that we enhance your vocab. And for collocations, we have a complete document which we share with our students so that they can improve their knowledge of collocations. Coming to the grammar part, we have a complete grammar course where we teach all about parts of speech, subject-verb agreement, prepositions, modals, articles, determiners, signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs or plural, British English rules, and sentences. So all these are important because grammar is very important if you want to crack your reading, as well as it's going to help you in listening as well as writing. And always remember, you have 2.5 to 3 minutes to solve your blanks. In first 30 to 60 seconds, you are going to skim the content, and in the next 90 to 120 seconds, you are going to look for clues. You have to find pointers, and you can use process of elimination, which is your best friend forever, right? Process of elimination is going to help you more than your existing vocab because paper में वहाँ पे आपके पास इतना time नहीं होगा. So that's why I use process of elimination. And all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below, where you can see that a lot of our students have achieved their target score. And this is some of our recent success stories where students have scored 90 overall also. And if you have any questions or doubts, you can WhatsApp us at 8699 121 121 for institute coaching or for online coaching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dream.